today's video ay nakikita niyo mga awards ko yan. Itong Grammys to, tapos ito Gawad Urian, guys.
Nang iyak naman dyan.
So guys, currently nasa flight tayo papuntang Busan. So I love to see. Pero ang ganda ng CR. Hindi ko pa see. I like the color. So yellow, so vibrant. And it feels really good. So we're at 7-Eleven and we're done eating dinner, and there's Paolo going to buy some goods. I love 7-Eleven. Super bigat. Pwede ba iwan to na lang muna dito? Hmm? Okay. Hey guys, so tara na! Everything. Tama tayo talaga dito.
Ano gusto mo dito?
Dami. The bag. That's your favorite. Si Sir Paolo, and it's already 12:30 na ba? And hinahanap pa rin namin yung hotel. It's not my thing walking around the streets of Kyoto. Bawal maingay dito. Bawal maingay kasi mapapagalitan tayo. Oh gosh, so hard. It's 12:40. Kanina dumating kami sa Naiya ng 10:30 in the morning. At kakarating lang namin sa Kyoto Hotel in the Ems Hotel, and grabe talaga yung kasama ko, guys. Kahit na marami akong nakalimutan, nasa kanya lahat. Dito mo naman, may opisina sa loob. May extension. And I love our hotel dahil para siyang bahay ni Nana. Kasi there's, ay kaya lang hindi siya lang. Malaking ganito.
Really?
Yeah.
Parang jacuzzi?
Yeah. Then there's a bathtub. How to operate this? How to open the lights? Yes. Wow! Amazing, guys. Look at that. Ay! Ganda naman buo yung salamin. Tapos ano? May ganyan dyan. Tapos yan. We have 2 bedrooms kasi hindi pa kami nagpapakasal. So, ganyan yung bed namin. Pag nagpakasal na kami ni Paolo, magiging queen size yan. Kaya lang hindi pa. Hindi pa ngayon. Ala pang basbas ni Tita Net. So yan. May pa ganyan siya dyan. And then, may pa TV. Tapos, hindi ko talaga abangan nyo ang mga gadget na lalabas sa maletang yan. Finally, here in Fushimi. What do you call this?
It's a Tori Gate.
It's a Tori. I was made for loving you by Tori Kelly. I was made for loving you.
Morning, everyone.
Are you vlogging?
Just climbing up the Fushimi Inari Shrine. And here's Mabel.
We're with the Fukiko family.
What's your first name?
My cat. Call me Makati.
State your full name.
My name is Makati Fukiko. You're so funny. What's so funny, Paolo?
What's your mother's name?
Kinamot.
The full name?
Kinamot Fukiko. And my sister is Mizugat.
Mizugat?
Mizugat.
Oh.
Gosh, guys, it's so fast. Nagpa-practice kami ng Fate of Ophelia. Naku, tataba tayo dito sa... Pero masarap yung dulo. And this is my meal, and this is Paolo. Yeah. This is the resting place. Resting area. Hey, vlog. We're in Paris. We were in Paris. I love it. Guys, wag kayong magpeke dun sa hindi ko jowa to. Hindi ko po siya jowa. Ang jowa ko ay si Travis. Scott. Si Travis Scott. Ayan ang friend. Bibili siya ng daga. Daga ba yun?
Meow.
Ah, it's a cat. Sorry.
Here.
Spain. Diyan nakasalala yung bukas namin, guys. Update, guys. We're now here in bus stop and we're lost. Hindi na naman namin alam kung nasaan kami. And good thing here ay laging may paupuan. We're looking now. Kung saan kami, sabi 63. This is my look after that shade, after that eyeglasses. And there's a line. Oh, there's a line! What's that? So we're now at matcha house. So I'm gonna try this matcha because I'm a matcha girly now. Guys,
Mabel's
this is
first time.
my first Ichiran experience. Ichiran. The richness, it's just nature. Bye guys, I'm gonna enjoy this. Shumaimasen.